reroute.
Huh?
We are rerouting to your old neighborhood. Church. Our Lady of the Lake Catholic Church.
Oh yeah, we could hear the
Where are we going? To the is this going to Burnt Mill or going to
We're
the
on Burnt Mill.
property?
huh?
The property that we got before. I wonder if whoever buy it build.
You'll find out in just a second.
And just oh, that's the one right there. Yeah, we have property there.
They're for sale back here again.
Not the property that we just sold.
I don't know if it's the property that we sold or what, but I've heard there's properties for sale right now.
She did not build yet.
No.
Mag-backway tayo guys kasi close ang highway doon. Maraming traffic. Burnt Mill. Yan ang ito yung backway. Tingnan natin yung aming dating bahay. What? 12 years ago?
Yep, 13.
Well, we live here 2013. Yeah, this is our old neighborhood.
We're doing all these.
Oh yeah, wow. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Right there.
All the trees have grown in.
Uh-huh.
It's nice.
Did you model?
Took care of it. Had that one, and I almost bought this one right here. Up here.
That one?
That one was nice because it had the patio way back there. I was going to put a jacuzzi out on it. But there was really no room on it. Look, there's property for sale right up
For
there.
sale, good by Coldwell.
Uh-huh. Probably $500,000 now. Another one for sale right there. Skating rink is right up here somewhere.
Are they still there?
What, the skating rink? Of course it is. It's a commercial building. The only reason I wouldn't live in here, it's all under HOA. It's right there. The Mighty Ducks came up here and played hockey one time.
Oh yeah?
This house here sold for $1 million back when I lived up there.
So that's big enough to play professional hockey?
Well, it's a practice rink.
Practice ring, I know.
I remember walking all the way down here to
To the grocery store?
yep.
Ooh, lots of thorns.
I almost died coming home.
That was like you're 20 years younger. Oh, no,
Parking deck.
no way you can walk now.
Not down there. I could walk down. I could never get home.
How far? A mile maybe?
Easily.
See, that's the thing here. Because
Going is one thing. Coming home is another.
yeah, because it's uphill and zigzag. That's why it's really hard to walk.
Zigzag didn't make much difference. It's just being the uphill.
Uphill, downhill. So yeah, like I said, if it's not all highway, I can walk from where we live to Blue Jay.
Yeah.
It's only a mile, but just not a walking situation here. Look, we're going zigzag. Whee! Yeah, no, you guys can see the view kasi walang
Piece of
Wow.
property you wanted to They want $550,000 for this piece of property right here.
So it's still for sale today.
I don't know.
This is sharp turn here.
Nice thing is there's the creek that goes through it.
That means they have a snake.
Built right over it.
Yeah, I see the water in the creek.
Oh, it's that one seems to be always running. I don't know why. So do the Banco.
Detour tayo, detour. Beautiful day in Lake Arrowhead. In the village.
People out boating around the lake.
Village. Yeah. So next stop is Banco.
Cornmeal.
Not today. Not until we get the money.
Oh,
Ayan ang lake. Ayan, lake.
I saw some boats going cruising around down there. Covered parking.
Sure. Oh, I read that they have new 2 restaurant coming up.
Yeah, I know. I saw them too.
It will be open in June. So right now they're hiring
Hiring people.
I wish I can apply buzzer, but it's really hard to come. Like I said, I wish our place here is walkable, but the situation are not walkable. Oh, look at the doggy. Lake right there, and Banco.
Hold on to the envelope. I'll use it again. Honey, hold on to the envelope.
So this is our village, Lake Arrowhead Village. Dito tayo sa baba. So dito sa baba ay tourist area. Sa taas is sa mga local, kagaya namin. So local, may ano doon, may grocery, may pharmacy, CVS pharmacy. Ayan, nilipat ko na yung pharmacy ko sa CVS kasi magsasara na daw. Mag out of business daw si Rite Aid. So ayan. So ito yung tourist section. Ayan. Tapos ikot natin ang camera. So this is real estate. Ayan, kung gusto mong mag-rent ng mga condo dito for your vacation. Tapos doon yung lake. So ayan, may nakikita tayong kunting lake. Ang aming event for today. Maraming guys, maraming rerouting kasi maraming nagsasara ang road dahil may mga nagtatrabaho. So bakit Saturday? Dapat hindi Saturday kasi maraming mga tourist na aakyat. So they close the road, so we have to go reroute. Ayan lang guys, just sharing my my event. Ayan sa ating wonderful world. So, thank you for watching. Ayan, ikot-ikot lang tayo sa California.